Hey space fans! Are you ready for some truly out-of-this-world news? Because what astronomers have just witnessed is nothing short of spectacular. Hold on to your telescopes because astronomers just witnessed a cosmic event that's breaking records. A colossal collision between two black holes. This isn't just another day in the universe, this is a moment that will go down in the history of space exploration. This isn't your average space smash-up. It's record-sized and mind-boggling. The sheer scale of this event is almost impossible to wrap your head around. Imagine two of the most powerful objects in the cosmos slamming together with unimaginable force, sending shockwaves across the universe. Let's dive into what this means for our understanding of the universe. Events like this help us unlock the secrets of how the universe works, and every new discovery brings us closer to answering some of the biggest questions in science. Black holes are the universe's ultimate heavyweights, regions so dense that not even light can escape their grip. They're formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a point in space with gravity so intense, it warps everything around it, even the very fabric of space-time. But when two of these titans spiral in and collide, they create ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. These waves travel across the universe carrying information about their violent origins and the nature of gravity itself. This record-breaking collision was caught by the LIGO and Virgo gravitational wave observatories, the cosmic ears listening to the whispers of the universe. These incredible instruments are so sensitive, they can detect distortions in space-time smaller than a fraction of a proton. Here's what makes this event so jaw-dropping. The black holes involved were massive. We're talking about objects so huge, they defy what we thought was possible for black holes formed from stars. Imagine one black hole about 85 times the mass of our sun, an object so dense it could swallow our entire solar system and still be hungry for more. And the other around 66 times. These are not your typical black holes, they're true cosmic giants, each one a powerhouse in its own right. When they merged, they created a new black hole roughly 142 times the sun's mass. That's a new heavyweight champion in the black hole world, and it's something scientists have only dreamed of finding until now. Why is that huge? Well, it's because black holes of this size were thought to be extremely rare, if not impossible, to form from the collapse of a single star. Well, black holes of this size challenge our current theories about how stars die and black holes form. It means there's a lot we still don't know about the life cycles of stars and the extreme physics at play in the universe. Scientists call this new category intermediate mass black holes, a cosmic missing link. These mysterious objects could be the bridge between the smaller black holes we've studied and the supermassive ones lurking at the centers of galaxies. This discovery opens a new chapter in astronomy. It's like finding a new piece of a puzzle that's been missing for decades, giving us fresh clues about the evolution of the cosmos. It tells us that black holes can grow much bigger by gobbling up other black holes, and that these cosmic collisions might be more common than we ever imagined. And it might help us understand how the supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies, including our Milky Way, formed. Maybe these galactic monsters started out as smaller black holes, merging again and again over billions of years. So thanks to our cosmic detectives and their super-sensitive detectors, we've just added a giant piece to the puzzle of the universe. Every new discovery like this brings us closer to understanding where we come from and what the future of the cosmos might hold. If you loved this mind-blowing space update, hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic discoveries, and join our community of stargazers and science lovers, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next trip through the stars. There's always something new and amazing happening in the universe, and we can't wait to share it with you. Until then, keep looking up. The universe is full of surprises, and the next big discovery could be just around the corner.